What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy. All right, guys, so this is fully straight pipe, BMW 340i, inline 6, 600 horsepower, tuned and everything. Got a beautiful wrap. All right, go ahead and back it out. Really cool wrap on it. I like it. It's like that smoke purple. It's cool. That sounds sick. This thing pushes 600 horse, guys. That's crazy. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It's got a nice quiet idle to it too.